a brand owner, I have my existing customer details in this Google Sheet, and now I want to send the new promo code offers to all these customers in order to make them repurchase from my store. So now here, sending promo code as WhatsApp message to each and every customer is very time consuming task, and creating WhatsApp group for all these customers is not professional at all. So in that case, I got to know about this amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique which allowed me to send the automated bulk WhatsApp messages with my particular promo code to all these customers, that too with their personalized name and without getting blocked or spam. Sounds shocking? Let me show you the automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to my customer. So here you can see this particular message template that I have already created with my promo code that says sale 2026, and I have sent this automated WhatsApp message with the customer's personalized name that says hi demo user. Not only this, I have sent this bulk automated WhatsApp messages to all these customers automatically at the same time by simply setting one WhatsApp broadcast. And I've set up this amazing WhatsApp broadcast using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can send the bulk promo codes or any bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads whose data you have in Google Sheet or the contacts you have inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now here, to begin with the process, you need to access this software by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to use this code as ROMYT while making a purchase for your Pabbly plan, and you're going to get an exclusive discount. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So here, to learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the video tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Not only this, here let me tell you that it offers some amazing features available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Alright, so let's begin with the process of setting up our WhatsApp broadcast. But as I've already mentioned that I have created a WhatsApp template with my promo code in order to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to my customers. So here let me show you the template that I've already created. But here, if you don't want to create a template message, then you can simply send a normal message as well. But to learn about that technique, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so let's start with the process. We are going to move towards the template section first. And in the template section, you can see the number of approved templates, number of pending, number of draft and rejected templates as well. So here I already have a template with the name promo code, and here you can see my template is approved. That means I can simply use this template to send the automated WhatsApp messages to all my customers. So this is my WhatsApp message, and here to create a new template, you need to click on this add template button. Then you can see two options. One is add template and the other one is generate with AI. If you want to generate the template using AI, then you can select this option, or else select add template, and it will direct you to a new template window like this. Here you can add the details and click on the submit button. Once the template is submitted, it is going to be sent to Meta for the approval. Once it gets approved by Meta, you can use their template to send the automated WhatsApp messages. So now here, if you want to learn about this creation process in detail, you can click on this learn more hyperlink available over here, or you can also watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, let's move forward to the WhatsApp broadcast section now. Under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. So to create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to a WhatsApp broadcast window. Here you need to add some details. Firstly, you need to select the broadcast type. I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast theme, I'm going to give the name as new promo code. Alright, so this is the broadcast name. Then comes the contact list. So here you need to select the contact to whom you want to send the automated WhatsApp message. And as you know that I've already mentioned that I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages to all these customers whose data I have in Google Sheet. Now in order to send the automated WhatsApp messages to all these contacts, I need to add them in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And to add bulk contacts, we are going to access this contact section available over here. Under this contact section in the left side, you can see some existing lists that I have, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, then you can simply add the details over here, or to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the data, but as you know that I have my customer details in this Google Sheet, so I need to download this data in a CSV format first. Once you have a CSV format data, upload the same file over here and click on this add contact button. By doing so, all the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have, so I'm going to select that. You can select multiple contact list as well. Then comes the select message type. So here you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but if you want to use a simple text message, then select this regular message option, and from here select the message type. After that, if you're going to add any text, then you can have a preview for that message in the right side. Alright, for now we're going to select a pre-approved template message, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name because variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So I wanted to send the personalized WhatsApp messages to my customers, so I have used a variable in the place of name. And now here, to make this field permanently dynamic, we are going to access contact custom fields available over here in the settings section. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 permanent fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can create more custom fields as per your variables, and as you know that I have used a variable in the place of name, so we're going to copy the field name for the same and then we're going to add it over here. Then click on this done button and then automatically your template will be added over here. Alright, let's move forward. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. That means before sending it to my wider audience, I can test this broadcast message by sending it on my own phone number first. So for that, I'm going to add my username over here, which is my name, and for the number I'm going to add my own number. After that, we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly I have received a new WhatsApp message with my own name, and this is exactly the same template message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. After that, it is asking for scheduling our broadcast. If you want to send instant WhatsApp messages to all your contacts, then select no, or to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, you need to make sure that you are going to select a future date and time. If you're selecting a past date and time, that is going to send the WhatsApp message instantly to all your contacts. Alright, after that, click on the add broadcast button and you can see your broadcast has been scheduled. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Not only this, if you want, you can also resend this broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can send the bulk promo code messages to all your customers on WhatsApp. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.